Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 30th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at how the markets did today. We did see stocks pull back today. The Dow was lower by 183 points. The S&P 500 pulling back almost 19, while Nasdaq was lower by 60 points, and the Russell 2000 giving back another 5 points, although it was much lower earlier in the session. The bond market also showing weakness, and the yield on the 10-year note settling at 1.892%. Crude and gold futures, both little change today. Very quiet day overall, but the dollar index continues to show weakness as well. Another stock getting hit today was Tesla. Tesla received a bearish note from Cowen, saying that they don't expect them to meet their deliverables figures in 2020, as well as casting some doubt on whether or not the company can maintain their profitability going forward. And so the stock during the regular session dropping $15.68, or a little over 3.5%. After hours right now, they're down a little over another dollar or so. So keep an eye on Tesla. Although, after this run, not a surprise that we're seeing a pullback at all. So I would look for continued retracement here, but certainly be on the lookout for for a possible turning point on Tesla in the new year. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.